Are you over 35 and feeling like your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be? Do you forget names, misplace your keys, or struggle to focus at work? Well, you're not alone. And the good news is, your brain can get better with age if you feed it the right foods. Today, we're diving into 7 scientifically proven foods that can supercharge your brain, keep your memory sharp, and even lower your risk of Alzheimer's. These aren't trendy fads. They're natural, affordable, and easy to add to your diet starting today. Stay with us to the end, because number 7 might completely surprise you. 1. Blueberries, the brain's favorite. Berry blueberries aren't just delicious. They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which fight off inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. A Harvard study showed that seniors who ate at least 1 cup of blueberries or strawberries per week had a slower rate of cognitive decline by up to 2.5 years. They're also known to boost communication between brain cells, helping with short-term memory and learning. Perfect in smoothies, oatmeal, or even as a frozen snack. 2. Leafy greens, nature's multivitamin for the brain. Think spinach, kale, collard greens, and Swiss chard. These veggies are rich in vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene, all essential for brain health. In a study published by Neurology, seniors who ate 1 serving of leafy greens a day had brains that performed like people 11 years younger. Just 1 salad or green smoothie a day could keep your brain young. That's a no-brainer. 3. Fatty fish, fuel for focus. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, a crucial building block of the brain. Studies show people with higher omega-3 levels have larger brain volumes and better cognition as they age. Aim for 2 to 3 servings per week. Don't like fish? Consider a high-quality fish oil supplement. Just make sure it contains DHA and EPA. 4. Walnuts, tiny brain-shaped superfoods. Ever notice how a walnut looks like a little brain? That's no coincidence. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3, as well as polyphenols and vitamin E. Research from UCLA found that people who regularly eat walnuts score higher on cognitive tests. A small handful a day is all you need. Add it to your yogurt, salad, or just eat them raw. 5. Dark chocolate. Yes, really. Good news for chocolate lovers. The flavonoids in dark chocolate, 70% cocoa or higher, improve blood flow to your brain and may enhance memory and mood. A study published in Nature Neuroscience found that cocoa flavonoids can stimulate neural activity, particularly in areas related to learning. But don't overdo it. Just 1 or 2 small squares a day is enough. And remember, more cocoa, less sugar. 6. Eggs. Brain boosters in shell eggs are rich in choline, which helps produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that supports memory and mental clarity. They also provide B vitamins like B6 and B12, which help reduce homocysteine, an amino acid linked to cognitive decline. Scrambled, poached, or boiled, eggs are versatile, affordable, and great for breakfast or lunch. 7. Extra virgin olive oil, liquid gold for the brain. Used in the Mediterranean diet, extra virgin olive oil is full of antioxidants and healthy monounsaturated fats. A study from Temple University found that it can preserve memory and reduce signs of Alzheimer's in the brain. Use it to cook, drizzle it on veggies, or mix into dressings. Just make sure it's cold-pressed and extra virgin for the full benefits. So let's recap the 7 brain-boosting foods. Blueberries, for memory and cell communication. Leafy greens, slow down brain aging. Fatty fish, for cognitive function and brain volume. Walnuts, support memory and brain shape. Dark chocolate, increase alertness and blood flow. Eggs, improve neurotransmitter function. Olive oil, reduce Alzheimer's risk. The best part, these aren't exotic or expensive. You can start today. Swap that sugary snack for a handful of walnuts or switch to olive oil instead of processed dressings. Every meal is a chance to feed your brain. Literally. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly videos on senior health, brain tips, and nutrition backed by science. Your brain deserves the best, and we're here to help you give it just that. Want a printable shopping list of these 7 brain foods? Check the link in the description. We've got a free PDF just for you. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with a friend or family member who wants to stay sharp well into their golden years. Because it's never too late to start feeding your brain right. See you in the next one.